Hey guys, thanks for joining me again for another unboxing. How you doing? You okay? I hope so. How's your week been going? Good. Mine's been busy. I've done, as I'm filming this now, it's Thursday afternoon and I've done 10 hours today and I am absolutely shattered. But we're going to have an unboxing. Right, Shaverage. Shaverage today was brought to me by Mrs. B, and I didn't even know she was getting it because I wasn't going to bother. She got me this purely for the unboxing, and it's Angry Orchard Hard Cider. Crisp apple. There you go, 5%. Never tried it before, never heard of it. Right, let's get this poured. It's been in the fridge for a day. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. Cheers, guys. Sorry, I do apologise. That's nice. Me legs. Right, this one first. I know what it is. And I want to get this one out of the way while I've got things in my head to tell you. And it's a new brush. It's a Frank shaving brush. What do you mean I've got enough brushes? You can never have enough brushes. No, it's a thing for me with brushes. What the hell is that? Oh wow, I didn't know that. You get a free stick pencil. I don't use them often. There it is, just a bog standard stick. I don't use them that often. I heal pretty quick and my blood seems to clot quite quick if I cut myself. I've got to tell you about this, guys, because it's a fantastic deal on Amazon. That's where I got this from. Next day delivery. There it is, guys. 25mm synthetic. And I'm going to call this Jasper. And I'll tell you why tomorrow when I use it. It's 25mm. This, guys, Amazon, it should have been $29.99. And they've got a deal on, and I got it for £12.40. So you're saving 59% on this, guys. Now, the last time I looked, they had 8 left. So get yourself on Amazon, guys. Nice little 25mm synthetic brush. Feels nice in the hand. Can't wait to use this tomorrow. So that's what I'll be using tomorrow. This one. I'm like a kid in a toy shop. I get excited. I'm sorry, guys. I'm like a big kid. Why not? Freebies. What's the freebie? I can't read this. Razzarock Italian splash. Oh, sorry, the stallion splash. I'm tired. I've done 10 hours today. There you go. Right. What we got? Ooh. I'm gonna open them both. Both autumn scents. Both Halloween scents. I didn't get them because of Halloween. These soaps are limited edition and they only come out this time of year, and I've had my eye on them for a year. Right, first one we'll go for, because I know what this smells like. They're both Phoenix and Bow. Night Witch. This is not a homage to the original Sholton Old Spice. It is a tribute soap. It's not supposed to smell like the Sholton Old Spice, but I tell you what, guys, that's pretty close. That is pretty close. I look forward to using that. There's the, oh, sorry, there's the port. Nice and smooth. Quite a hard soap. Just hope the synthetic will work, because I'll be using one of these. Now, the next one is Phoenix and Bow, like I just said, and it's Baskerville. Can you see that, guys? The Hound. Now, they've changed the label. The last time I seen this, when it was advertised, I couldn't get it. It was sold out. It was Sherlock Holmes with his hat and his pipe. Obviously, the Hound of the Baskervilles, but that's not why Phoenix and Bow named the soap Baskerville. And I'll explain that if I use this on tomorrow. Oh, wow. There's the pour. I've never smelt or anything. There's a tarriness, there's a woody tarriness with it. Bit of green there, bit of vetiver. There's something sweet there. Like, it's not vanilla. Same as the other soap, it's a bit hard. Oh, I want to know what that sweetiness is. I can't place it. There's a bit of leather in there as well. I can definitely smell like a tar scent. Do you know what this reminds me of? It's not the same, but it reminds me of Spitfire. It's one of my favourite scents. I don't think there's any tobacco in there, but it's got that kind of vibe. That is a very well blended soap. That is nice. I can't stop smelling it. And that's it, guys. That's the unboxing. But I want you guys to decide which one I'm using in tomorrow's shave. So leave a comment, let me know which one you want me to use. It's either the Night Witch, which is a Sholton Old Spice tribute, or Baskerville, which reminds me of Spitfire. Love the labels, absolutely love the labels. And I'll be using this as well. I already know what razor and blade I'm using. Thanks, Jay. Right, that's it, guys. Cheers, guys. I hope you've been having a great week, and I'll see you tomorrow for the Friday shave. It's up to you which one I use. Let me know in the comments. Cheers, guys. All the best. Stay safe. Bye now.